Okay, so I just got back from the gym, but what you're about to see in just a second. And so you're about to see footage from a week ago. And then today we did another show today, but I didn't feel like recording it. And then we're about to make a spontaneous trip to the beach. Look, there's Autry over there. You can barely see him. Right there. We're about to go to the beach, make a spontaneous trip, and it's gonna be me, Jordan, Riddick, Autry, and yeah, I'm wearing my gym clothes and I'm about to get dressed right now. So see you in just a second.
Forget the past, but what counts is that we're reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Keep your secrets there, hide them everywhere. Just you and I run away. I run away.
Kid, play a Zolon, put him at the top.
We have the beautiful Chargers, that way we can fly some drones today. There's the Indian.
Pulling up with the windows down! Bring a sweatshirt. It's gonna be cold.
An actual beach.
I mean, I guess we could just go sip on one of those little pier things up there.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, I agree that like I would rather.
It's cold. Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
Got lunch in there too. Yeah, I'm eating today. Oh shit.
I got a water bottle, so one of y'all can have it. You can have it if you want.
I woke up like at 2.
Excuse me. I'm just kidding.
Should I just wear my socks?
I don't know. I feel like an idiot wearing these in person.
I'm finna just wear my socks.
It's gonna go down. Unless I went go downhill from here.
Bro, these drones will just fly away.
Probably.
Shelter for the oh,
It feels so
yes.
It's just the wind. It's not bad.
It's going out, boys.
It's nice.
I don't know if y'all can hear the wind, but it's windy as balls. Oh, does this make people uncomfortable? I'm walking with my socks in the sand. Sand. Look out towards the sunset. Stay like that. Stay. Good. Ah, you're good. When I'm flying the drone, I'm like really scared that it's gonna fail in midair and die and fall to its death. But we're actually about to record me flying the drone just in case anything bad happens, so I have it on memory. Yeah, I'm really scared right now. Hopefully it doesn't die on me. Oh no no no! I couldn't even record anything because it's literally like shaking the whole time on the camera screen. Okay, well, I don't know if y'all heard that, but my drone just landed over there, like all the way over there. So now I have to go and retrieve it from. Oh, it's gonna be a drag again.
Look how cool that view looks.
Give me the drone shots right now.
Archer, you're gonna pick up the drone pilot of the Air Force.
Dude, I can't put this video on
That should be a pretty cool
If I
job.
put this video on YouTube, it's gonna get picked up in World War III as a drone pilot.
If you look at us forward, you can tell who's the smartest in the group. I'm just gonna be honest here. You can tell who's the smartest.
Probably me. Honestly, me.
I mean, not Riddick?
Rick's the dumb. Now you have, I don't know, Archer's got the sweatpants, but you have the hoodie though, so I don't know. Smartest is about. I'd say Archer's second, because he has the long second. You have shorts on.
My legs are like.
Because of the calves.
Yeah, my calves have tons of blood in them, tons of red blood cells, so it keeps me warm.
I thought about wearing a hoodie, but I saw it was like 50. I was like, oh, I'll be fine in a long sleeve.
Well, you weren't prepared for Tropical Storm Coach.
It wouldn't be that bad if there was no wind chill.
Yeah, this is a fitness channel, but one of our snacks that we get is 2 dozen box of donuts. And also get a bag of hot. That's my fitness channel for you. Nothing but the best. Minning it right here. Go look at Ultra's Instagram. First link in the description. It's gonna be his drone footage and where I got all that stuff. So go check him out. And yeah, see y'all in the next one.